Hello YouTube, Delta Streamer here again for another video. Again with Super Mecha Champions. So let's get in. So today, as you saw in the name of this video, I'll be playing with my little brother. He chose a special name. He's in the room, currently in the room right now, but he's a little camera shy, so don't worry about it. He's actually pretty good at the game, so if you find him, let me get over here so people can see your name. How do you even say that name? You got to give me a better code name for yourself. So he's gonna go by Switchblade this entire game, but if you really want to find him, this is his name. He's part of my clan, so yeah, he's flying through the ranks easily with ease. He's pretty good. He's always had that knack at being good at games before he even plays them. So yeah. Switchblade, you disappeared. What? As you can see, Switchblade's a bit shy. When he's not on the battlefield, he's a bit non-social. Hey, get over here. Okay, whatever. Well, it looks like it's just gonna be me and him. And some random guy that joins us while we auto match. Looks like it's just me and you today, Switchblade. I'll let you pick the place. Just put your thing down where you want to go. Oh joy. Never been there. I was almost an idiot and didn't put down my marker. That's a mech. That is a mech. Holy crap, that's a mech. How did a mech come out of a snowman? It's an explosive mech. What the heck? I'm taking damage here. Oh my gosh. How many mechs are here? This is my second mech. Nope, 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 nope. So much nope. Well, this is starting off to a crazy start.
Where the heck did you go?
Ooh. Already a purple assault rifle. Yeah, I'm gonna put on this deformed car just in case any others show up. Oh, if you guys want to know, they have a new deformed car. Unlike the normal deformed car, this one is good for like snipers. Cause it's explosive. That's the only thing different though. Everything else is like the other deformed car. I don't feel prepared. Switchblade, why did you pick this place?
It's just better if I do the here.
So as always, guys, I'm going to be skipping through the the video if nothing's happening, so yeah. That'll be right now. Okay, we can play that, buddy. Try me. Oh, is that you outside?
Yeah.
I'll come and help. Not gonna have pretty good things, but fudge it, let's do this. I'm in a bad place. We gotta go. Attaboy. He's gonna be coming back, though. Well, that just ended quickly. I believe in my bro. What's funny, guys, is usually it's usually not a hot steel or anything that kills me. Everyone out there that mains Doomlight, you're a coward. You're a wimp and a coward. And everybody knows it, even yourself. I'm sorry. But that's not a way to win. Everybody knows that. And there we go. It's fine though. We did pretty well. Okay, guys, we're back for round two. That was the last round was a bit fun. Kind of got stormed there, but we should be better this time. Oh, got another guy on our team. Don't know if he knows that he's being recorded though. And now we skip to the fighting. Hello. It's called having a shotgun, buddy. Oh, Skyboy's got a hurricane. Nice. That makes two of us then. Oh, wait. Bro, I can't use hurricane because of you. I'm good. It's like somebody didn't think. Or thought they were already dead. Okay, we got one in the air. There it is. Bro, you stole my kill. You're gonna pay for that. Thanks for taking the damage, Flyboy. Watch for the death trap. Really? Now Gabriel thinks it's time for him to shine. Ha! Take that, Gabriel. Got a little trouble here, guys. Gabriel. Oh. Take that, you little... Hello. Gotcha, bro. Gabriel. Oh my gosh, really? Nope. Peekaboo. Oh, frick. You know what? Fudge it. End me. I'm sorry. I can't help you, Skyboy. Ugh. Things are not looking good, guys. I don't have any defense. I can't really do my tactic unless I have a hoverboard. Let's hope there's one in here. If I could just have hoverboards at the beginning of the game, that would make this so much easier. But of course you can't have that, so... yeah. Thanks for the help. Storm. Oh wait, can't get out like this. Okay. Doing fine. Gabriel. That's not a Gabriel. Why won't that thing freaking die? That's not my brother. I can work with that though. Heck yeah. This guy's got everything. I'm not done with... Just because my mech's destroyed doesn't mean I'm done yet. No, 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 no. Not like this, not like this. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, crap, 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 crap. Leave my bro alone. Take that, you stupid Arthur. We might actually win this one. This is going a lot better. Are you serious? There's one more person other than us? Oh yeah, bro, you might want this more than I do. I can't use it anymore. Take it out. Okay, won't let me disactivate it. Okay. There's literally one guy out there. Oh, there you go. Well, there we go. Sorry about that, Skyboy. Hahaha. See, I told you, my brother, Switchblade ain't nothing. That's my first win in in a video in a while. Well, with that, that'll be at the end of this video. I'll probably be doing that thing I said last time, the Pokemon Nuzlocke, pretty soon to try to get over this. As you can see, I'm trying to save up for another mech, probably Raven because it's kind of OP. Not as dumb and OP as Doomlight, but you get the gist. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably next week in the next video. Bye.